Can you check the baby if she came out all the way? Yeah, start breathing. She's cleaning. Yeah, she's still cleaning.
It's cut already. Move here a little bit.
No, wait now. Baby is good breathing and the size is good. So can now baby start moving his hands and feet.
Here's your daddy's clothes.
Just leave it here.
The cord cut already, yeah?
Yeah, they're coming here to give her company.
It's okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not really short, okay lang?
Yeah.
It's okay lang.
Jenna, she will take rest and she will give birth to another baby. Although she get a good company. The newborn baby.
She didn't go away. She didn't left her.
Yeah.
She stayed down, kitten.
This small kitten, huh?
White kitten.
Your baby is giving company.
And her
And
too.
you are giving company too.
She didn't go away.
Wow.
They're smart, no? They can sense it. Oh.
Now she can clean it better.
She wants to moving now. She tried.
You wanna
she
help?
Wants to help.
Oh, the baby want to go there, Dede.
Oh.
Baby started Dede.
Who knows right away, huh?
Yeah.
I put my hand dito, sabi niya.
The baby?
Flat face. No, not really, yeah. Big eyes. Flat face? Oh. A good girly cow or a boy? Oh.
She's giving another baby.
Oh,
She's
that's
gonna,
fast.
yeah, she's gonna give birth. The black thing came out. That is coming out. It's coming out.
She needs to open it right away.
It is.
Let's put her dito muna. Is it okay, I'll go?
Yeah, it's okay. It's just different.
Come, baby, here. Open mo, hurry up. Open.
Yeah, the face came out. She's licking it. She's licking it. So the jetty will go away.
Is it ano? Out na?
Yeah, baby dog. Wait. Baby dog, let her clean the tail area. She's cleaning it.
No, face muna.
Okay, go ahead.
Kasi, so the baby can breathe.
Go ahead.
No, I mean her.
Uh,
Ayun, open na pala. Ito open? Open na yun. Okay. Wow. We need to have something to
alcohol or something?
hindi, to wipe it.
Get a face towel or toilet paper or paper towel.
Mhm. Yan.
Let her bring the baby here so we can cut the cord. She's cleaning, she's still cleaning.
Oh, it's a tail, yeah?
Yeah. Wait.
What?
He's big.
Oh,
That means he's healthy.
ayun. Clean. Panda. You clean. Clean mo. Maria, panda. Ito pa, oh. Ito. Oh, panda.
Mm.
Kasi sa yun, they're cleaning it right away.
Yeah.
Yung cutting
There's the cord. Cord is here.
Mhm.
You can see it now.
Yeah. Come here, panda. Come here, panda. I'm gonna help you.
Hmm.
Maybe it's
Can you reach?
No, that's hard boy. Oops. Ito pa
Well,
bago. Old Spice.
nice.
It smells good yan eh. This is what I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Need to have a charger dito. I think that's the one that I found. And I can't remember who is that is. I think it's in the other building. Maybe over here. Wala. May laser too.
Yeah.
For cats. I think that charger is other flasher.
Mm.
Now I'm not looking, I found it. But now where is the brush?
But you are more better.
Okay, okay. You stay here, baby. 'Cause you're clean already, okay? Why are you coming back? Oh, you're crying, baby. It's okay. It's okay. You made it. You made it. Okay. You made it. Oh, you're crying siya, oh.
No pain, no gain.
Oh, this one is light.
Yeah, this is the second one. The other one is first.
Light colors like blonde.
This color. This color.
That one is darker.
Yeah.
Saan ang dede?
The bottom.
Hindi mo.
Bottoms.
Ay, doon.
Mm.
Lay down na. Lay down. You're still cleaning? You're still cleaning, huh? Ay.
Yeah, she's now cleaning her tongue.
Ganun pala.